Alright, we got this large 2-bed, 1-bath downstairs unit. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Alright, here we go. As you can see, it's been newly remodeled. New paint. Got new flooring, tiled throughout the home. So you have a large front room right here, as you can see. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the kitchen. Have the kitchen area right in here. New cabinets throughout. Got nice granite countertops. It's a little kitchen area right here. Got brand new ceiling fans. As we go right through here, you have your first bedroom. Have your closet right here. That's your second bedroom right in here. That's your bathroom right over here. So a large 2-bed, 1-bath. $600 a month. I pay all utilities except electric.